Morning guys, Brennan here with another gardening video. Just it's March 14, 2021 and not the best weather, so we're gonna be doing a polytunnel video today. Basically it's mid-March and it's time for our seeds. Of course, for the outdoor growers it's not gonna be the best time since it does still get cold at night. But today it'll just be me and the wife. The kids will be in for the seedlings part, so don't forget to tune in to the next video. So let me give you guys a tour of the things we're going to be doing. That's inside the polytunnel. Basically we just have 2 garden beds split into 4, and we have a little garden path here to work. So basically guys, these are old tomatoes. We're going to be ripping these guys out. We're going to be amending the soil. We're going to be loosening it up, taking out the weeds, and putting down a fertilizer. Maybe for now we're going to be doing a time lapse, so stay tuned for the time lapse guys. And my assistant today will be my beautiful wife, Sheila. Babe, anything to say? No? Okay, she's not minding me right now. But as long as she's there to help, makes everything easier. Alright guys, we're all done with our prep. Last thing we gotta do now is just dampen the soil mixture with manure. So let's see if I can change my power head here. So you guys can see the big difference here. With all the old plants out, all the weeding, soil looks a lot nicer. Let me show you guys the stuff that we pulled out of there. It's amazing how much stuff we have in there. These are all the regrows. Some of these guys, I just put it in there. I know they can withstand outside, but I thought I'd give them a better chance. These asparagus. We got some rosemaries. We got our peppers that lasted since 2020. We got our regrow carrots, our choys and lettuce, rosemaries. We got some green onions over there. Like I said, it's amazing what you can fit in that small little guy. Little polytunnel there. Not very big, but good for the winter. You guys can hide all your stuff that you want to protect. Perhaps comment if you guys want to see my DIY. I did some documentation of how I made my polytunnel. So I think all in all it was about $1,000 with the wood, the gravel, the soil, and the poly, the 2x2s that I used, the PVC. So let me know guys, because I do have some documentation on that. I was thinking also that I could be doing some interviews. Perhaps I could be doing some interviews with known farmers, urban gardeners, perhaps some nurseries. That's really where I want to take this channel guys. I want to get as much information from the professionals and apply it to the average Joe situation. Wow! I get the opinion from the nurseries. Well, I think that's going to be the end for the day. So that was about an hour and a half there. Took a little bit longer than I expected. Anyways, get some help, guys, because I'm pretty sure my back's gonna hurt after this. Okay, talk to you guys later. Wish you guys all the best, happy gardening, and see you guys on the next video.